In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fair Value MS in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at right now. It can be stocks, forex, crypto, or anything else. What matters is that you're on the main chart screen where you can see candles or bars. At the top of the chart, you'll see a toolbar with different options. Look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the middle or left side of the top panel. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Once that window is open, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. This is where we'll look up the Fair Value MS script. In the search field, carefully type Fair Value MS. As you're typing, TradingView will automatically filter the results below to show indicators that match those words. Take a moment to look through the list that appears. You should see an indicator called something like Fair Value MS, or very close to that name. Make sure you're selecting the one that matches what you're looking for. When you see it in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your active chart and you'll see the Fair Value MS tool appear over your price data. If it doesn't show up right away, double check that it's enabled in the Indicators list on your chart. You can open the Indicators menu again, look under My Indicators or Favorites, and ensure it has a check mark next to it. You can also click the Settings icon next to the indicator's name on your chart to adjust colors, visibility, or other options so it better matches your personal trading style. To get the most out of Fair Value MS, it's important to use it on a reliable, fast version of TradingView. In the description below, I've included my affiliate link for TradingView Pro. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to pro features like more indicators on a single chart, additional alerts, and a smoother overall experience while you're using tools like Fair Value MS.